like your eyes, you can't catch me by surprise. You went from ride or die to I guess you ain't alive. Hit my line but I ain't picking up, I'm too busy mixing up. Wasn't getting anything from that, I had to give it up. Told me that you had my back, you were frontin', no, but now you're coming crawling back. Gotta love it off the Henny, don't know how to act. Lost my cool but got it back. Why you so concerned where I'm at?
Oh, no, I'm good to go. I'm good. No thanks. First thing we do, we touch down in Austin. It's going to Terry Black's, of course. I think we landed here maybe 30 minutes ago, and of course we gotta get some good old barbecue. Our food looks unreal with our boy Mariano, and the price of this.
The price
that you didn't have to pay.
Almost $200 for all this, and we flipped, and of course I won.
Fun crocking that we play for. You'll see it later in this video.
Oh, they don't know about croc.
Not yet. They will later.
Yeah.
We'll show them the app, and it'll be a good time. It'll be a fun sweat.
For sure.
Should have recorded that sweat anyways. It was too casual. We were just in and out.
Yeah.
But the food looks unreal. This rib was probably like $45. What's pound and a half
for
thing.
one rib.
And he's got some pudding, of course. Gotta feed the steroids, as what people say. But yeah, gonna get some food. We're gonna eat. We're gonna head to play the 1-3 game in like maybe an hour or two. But before, had to get some barbecue. Went in Texas. Gotta get it done. And, this looks good. Let's get eating. Gotta win some more flips later on. You'll see that. It's coming soon. So it's the next day after that live stream, and it's our one and only day not actually playing poker. So of course, Mariano's pumped about that. First day not playing poker.
I'm not complaining.
Yeah, all right. We need this. Of course, the vlog camera's coming out. Gonna get some food to start. Probably gonna hit 6th Street later, but wanted to bring this along because we're gonna croc for our dinner. Of course, we croc everything up so far.
Yep.
I've won 2. He's won 2. He's won the 2 of the cheapest ones.
It's 2-2, but I'm up like $200.
You lost both smoothies, and then I lost both actual food places.
It's just like poker. Lose the small pots, win the big ones.
Guy runs too good. All right, well, we're crocking this one up at this sub place. See how it goes. Okay. Let's go. Crock it up. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my god. Yes! Thank you. There we go. What a good guy. Alright. I might have lost the $200 meal, but it's the small wins that count. You know, 40 bucks. No bad. Not bad. Not bad. Look at this. Oh, you did a signature? Oh. Look at this guy's signature. Better than the straight line you normally do, but that's not. That's something else.
You wanna make it work? I'm thinking you medicine. You're trying to find a better one. It's easier said than done. Why you wanna mess with my hair, nice and long? You moved out west, but you kept playing those games like LeBron. I know you got some ambitions. It's just lately you've been tripping, so refer to that line if you wonder why I'm missing. Told me that you had my back. You were frontin', no, but now you're coming crawling back.
Even at a bar for drinks. Ho ho! Even at the bar for drinks, it's always croc. Thank you. Thanks, bud.
Okay, so 2 crocs. This is my croc. This is Ethan's croc. We're gonna hit teeth until the other person's crocodile gets mad, and whoever gets mad first, you lose.
We're only playing on one phone.
No, yeah. So I'm playing this phone. You're playing this phone. All right. And whoever lasts longer. So we have to hit a tooth at the same time.
We got a little last longer. All right.
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Let's go. Thank you,
Have
Mario.
I won any of these yet on camera?
No, you have not. I think I'm gonna start vlogging every single one now because
he's deleting all the times he loses, guys.
Yep, that's what it is. Just like how Mariano deletes all of his losing sessions from the vlog, I delete all the losing crocs. But thanks for food. Gambling every single time in Texas. We're at a boba place. All right, Bogez. All right, I'll take it. Sally. Can you say that again? Say that again.
It's gonna be $100 bill.
Dinner time.
$100.
You know the deal. Rock it up. Let's go. That was a $100 bill. All right. Oh, I was really gonna go in the middle. All right, there it is. We lose again. We lose the big ones every fucking
Don't
time.
worry, man. I'll lose the smoothies tomorrow.
Oh, that'd be great. Thanks, dude. Ice cream, banana, scratchers, and water. 7-Eleven, and we're still cracking the shit up.
baby. Let's go, baby.
Just lost the
let's
dinner. Yeah, you go Sally that.
And this
Now-
scratcher's gonna be worth $50.
Now I'm starting to lose.
Let's go, baby.
All right,
No gamble, no future, baby.
All right, to wrap this vlog up, this very degenerate vlog up, we're doing some scratch tickets. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's been, I don't even know what this video is like, but a lot of degeneracy in Austin outside of the poker tables. And here we are, swinging out these $5 scratchies, because what are you rooting for?
Let's go, baby.
Good hand, good hand.
God damn it.
All right, $5.
All right. This is why we gotta rebuy.
So we have two.
We gotta rebuy.
We're just paying our dues to the government, that's all.
All right, here we go.
Oh, we got a 40 ball. Oh, one of each number. All right, blanks so far.
Going. Keep going.
You are shooting blanks.
Oh, man, I'm shooting all kinds of blanks. Oh, 19.
Oh, winner! Yup! We're gonna be so rich.
Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. Oh, wait. 20!
20?
We got 2 winners, bro. Oh, wait, no, that's 2.
Oh, man.
All right, that's all right.
Let's do a slow peel from the 19. Slow scratch.
Let's go, Emerald. Don't let me down. I'm gonna hit it from the right.
Oh, yeah, hit it good. They like it.
There's a 0. There's a 0 in front of it, boys.
More zeros. 10! Oh, baby!
We're beating the drop. Let's go.
We're break even.
So now we get to take this over there and to be continued. We're gonna buy 2 more. Continued. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit the like. Buy a coin protector.
We're buying this until we go broke. Double or nothing. One $10 ticket next.
Bankroll challenge. We're gonna be at $45 by the end.
This
of
is Jeff Boski's Bank Rolex challenge from the $10 scratchies to.
Oh, $10 right here. Okay, so this is trash. We'll be back tomorrow, boys.
You heard the man.